Hello everybody, I'm working on 2003 Honda Civic SI, engine size 1.7. I'm going to change the oil. Safety first. You guys see the jug both sides before you're going under the car. Alright, so for oil change you need a bucket, oil 5W20, filter 7317 filter size. You need a wrench or socket ratchet. Alright, so as you guys can see, the oil cap 5W20. So before you guys opening the oil, so you gotta open the cap, leave it somewhere safe right there. This is need socket 17 or wrench. The oil filter is right here in the back, as you guys can see right there. Okay, you guys can see there's a engine oil. So this is the old filter. Anytime you're changing the filter, make sure your old filter has a seal. Sometimes it's stay in the engine. If you put the new one, then your oil is gonna leak. So make sure the seal comes with old filter. This is the old one. It's a new filter. I'm going to put some oil inside. The reason I'm putting oil, because if there is no oil when you're starting the car, there's a chance to burn the filter inside. So once you get it, just a little bit, there we go. So just a little bit, good. Nice. Put oil in around here, there we go. Now I'm going to put it back. So I'm going to put oil, just going to leave this. So try to leave about half a liter, 1 liter. Start the car, check, make sure you put it enough oil in there. Don't I'm gonna close it back. I'm gonna start the car. Alright, so I started the engine. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off the car, then I'm gonna check oil. I'm going to check the oil now. Clean it nice. Alright. Look like it's pretty good actually. Check it one more time. Yeah, that's good. You can see the second hole, that's enough. Thanks for watching.